Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Wayfair detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your overall budget for home furnishings. Visit the Wayfair website or open the Wayfair app. Create an account if you don't already have one for personalized features. Explore the categories that interest you, such as living room, bedroom, or outdoor. Use the filters to narrow down your search based on your budget. Set a maximum price filter to avoid items that exceed your budget. Take note of any ongoing sales or promotions that could help you save. Save items you like to a wishlist for easy access later. Calculate the total cost of items in your wishlist to see how it fits your budget. Consider how these purchases align with your essential needs versus wants. If an item is over budget, look for similar options or styles within your price range. Look for bundles or package deals that might offer better value. Check customer reviews and ratings to ensure quality for the price. Factor in shipping fees when calculating your total spending. Once you finalize your list, create a separate spreadsheet to track your expenditures. Include details like item names, prices, and any applicable discounts. Plan a timeline for when you intend to make these purchases. Confirm your payment methods and choose financing options if necessary. Stay flexible and be willing to adjust your choices based on any unexpected expenses. Remember to revisit and update your budget regularly as you make purchases. By following these steps, you can effectively budget for your home furnishings with Wayfair. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.